So, we're back again, guys. Yeah. How have you all been? Great? Awesome. Anyway, the car's outside, as you guys can see. It's a beautiful day. However, today's video will be about Iron X by Deluxe Car Care and how it can clean my wheels. Because I got my wheels, a little dirty today. I'm not really happy with it. I got some mud in it. It's all right. It'll live. However, I got some brake dust, some grit, grime, whatnot inside the wheels, and we're going to show you how this will work and get that stuff out. I did use it on my wife's vehicle last night. Worked out really good. Got the chromage back, so it's all sparkly looking doodly doo, whatever that means. But it works out really, really, really good. So again, guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a detailing kit giveaway by Deluxe Car Care, and maybe you might be that lucky winner. All right, let's dive into the video. Alright, let's go look at these wheels. That one's just a little dirty, like dusty, But however, you can see the mud on this one. It don't look good. Not good at all. And then inside here, it's not looking good. But we're gonna see how this stuff will work. Iron, brake, dust, remover. You gotta get it good. Alright, let's go. Well, she's still got a little bit of mud, a little bit of dirt here and there. I just want to get most of the heavier stuff, like the chunks of stuff off. We still got some stuff inside here. We're going to see how this Iron X works. And obviously we got the back wheel here as well. We're going to see how that works. Also on the inside as well. Let's get at it. Now we're going to do it first. Just spray it. Probably don't need a whole lot either. But I do want to get up in here. You can see it's already starting to turn purple in there. We're good. Now we're going to wait about 5-10 minutes. I don't want it to settle or dry, seeing that I am out here in the sun. So I don't want it to dry too much. I want it to at least turn purple and whatnot. Use a microfiber towel, wipe her down, and then we're gonna rinse her. Alrighty. All right, now I decided to say this, I don't think it really matters, but I just want to tell you guys straight up. So on the passenger side, these wheels are fairly new, maybe about a year, 2 years old, because of potholes. However, the driver's side, both wheels are old. They've been on the car since I bought the car. We put them on, so maybe about 8-9 years old. I figured to do the driver's side due to the fact that it may be better build up over the years and show you that this product actually works rather than cut corners and do it on a clean wheel and say, oh look, it really works. I'd rather take it the hard route and really show you guys the product and the actual real review, not cut corners. And there goes the train again. Yellow. All right, let's get back into the video. Yeah. Go to the front here. All I'm doing now is basically wiping all this down. We're gonna rinse it. Got yellow. Wiping her down, all down, wiping. Now I might not get every little nook and cranny, but crack and whatnot. Crack kills. Alright, now we're gonna do the back wheel. And I'll get back with you guys here in a second. Alright, well the microfiber towel will work, or like a wheel brush and whatnot to clean these up. I'm just using a hose now that we're done spraying it down or wiping it down. This is a cold hose too. This is actually black paint. backside. I'm gonna go through and clean these again, maybe. You don't have to, but if you guys look, the inside there it's not bad at all. There's no dirt. That's really good. Then obviously you dry them up. Shall we dry them up? I think we should. All right, let's skip to that. All right. Now all I'm doing now, guys, is just wiping down afterwards. These wheels do need to be repainted. Like I said, they're really old, and I wanted to do it on the old wheels. But man, all this in here just needs to be repainted. But she is clean. Looking good. I already wiped down the front a little bit. Didn't really have to do a whole lot. Maybe go back over the actual wheels with Tire Plus when I'm done. But a lot of that stuff is, I mean, she is clean in here. And these wheels were really bad. Again, like I said, they need to be painted, fixed. But the product really, it surprised me, so. Yellow, before you go, Iron X, right here, all the bottles have descriptions of exactly what they are about on the back. So, like I said before. But we'll go into a little bit of this one. Iron X is an acid-free, pH-neutral iron remover safe on paint, wheels, glass, coated metal, and plastic. Iron X effectively dissolves iron deposits, which can damage paint and wheels. Now, like I said, there's more on here as well, how to do it and how to use it. And, well, hopefully you liked the video and it works out for you. Take care.